everybody, welcome back to my channel. Before I started filming videos, I never understood how a YouTuber would have to film something twice until this video. This is my second time filming it, so if it looks like I just wore the same outfit for like 4 videos, it's because I filmed them all today. Anyways, I thought I filmed this unboxing, but then when I put everything together and I was getting ready to edit it, I realized that a huge chunk of the unboxing was missing, so that's why we're refilming it now. This is an unboxing of Hubman and Chubgirl's 2025 advent calendar, and I got this on pre-order back in October. It cost me $180, and the theme this year is Happy Mail, so you're going to see these characters a lot throughout all the items because they are, I think, acting as postmen, delivering packages, and sending mail. The way this advent calendar opens is that the top comes up like this, and then the rest of the days this front panel comes up, and these are the additional drawers. So the first tier is days 1 to 11, then it is 12 to 14, then 15 to 18, then 19 to 25. Before we get started, I have a disclaimer to make. This video is not sponsored in any way. I paid for this with my own money, and all opinions are my own. Also, I think it goes without saying that if you do not want spoilers, please click off this video or come back later after you open your own so that you don't get spoiled as to the contents of this advent calendar. Without further ado, let's get started. So, day 1 is this light rectangular box, and inside is an envelope ornament for your tree, and it says Holiday Happy Mail. Day 2 is this flat square box, and inside are some sticky notes. Day 3 is this rectangular box, and inside are some washi tapes. These are the 2 washi tapes. You have one that is a stripe design that matches the edges of the box, and the other one's the design you can see more clearly on here. It says Happy Mail, and it has little pieces of mail and mistletoe on it. Day 4 is this rectangular box, and on the back it says special delivery, and it has little things you can fill out, and inside is a pin of the mouse mailman. Day 5 is this big package, which again says special delivery, so I think you can reuse these boxes for gift giving for your friends and family. And inside are some cozy socks. They look to be quite long, so I think they're knee socks, and it is very festive. Number 6 is this flat box, and inside are some paper clips in the shape of letters. Number 7 is in this box, and inside are a tiny pair of scissors so you can travel with it on the go. Number 8 is this tiny box, and inside is a roll of postage style washi tape. Number 9 is this box. Number 9 is a limited edition brass clip. This is day number 10. Day number 10 is a little stamp set with this rubber stamp that looks like the stamp that your letters get when you send it to the post office. And the last day for this top tier is day 11, and there are some gift tags. So this is tier 2, days 12 to 14. This is day 12. Inside is a teal pencil case with stationery all over it. Day 13 is this flat package. Inside is a gold 6-inch ruler with some stationery embossed on it. And day 14 is at the bottom. It is one of their A5 journals, I'm guessing. It opens like so, and this is their A5 dotted journal. Moving on to the third tier, days 15 to 18. Day 15 is this package, and inside are a pack of 5 die-cut stickers. Day 16 is this huge box. It looks like a tote bag. This is a pretty big tote bag, and the design is super cute. The handles are pink, and this is the bag. Day 17 is this long box, and inside are 2 ballpoint pens, 1 mint and 1 pink, with the same stationery design that we saw on the pencil case. Day 18 sounds like there's something shaky inside, and it is one of their shaker tabs. It is in the shape of an envelope, and inside are little hearts on stamps. And the final tier is days 19 to 25. Day 19 is in this flat box, and inside are a set of post-it notes with this really cute winter scene. Day 20 is this flat envelope. This is a set of 4 vinyl sticker sheets, and these are the types of stickers you get in their subscription kit. This is day 21, and inside is one of their variety sticker packs. This is also an item you can get from their subscription kit, but this is obviously like the advent calendar theme. Day 22 is in this flat envelope, and inside is a reusable sticker book. Day 23, this is a weekly paper pad. It has all the days of the week, as well as notes and a to-do list. Day 24, Christmas Eve. I really love this box that it comes in, and inside is an acrylic photo frame. This is pretty unique. I've never seen this in another advent calendar. And last but not least, day 25. This is one of their soft cover dotted journals. It's also A5 size, but it's not as big as their hardcover A5 journals. So that is my entire unboxing of Hubman and Chubgirl's advent calendar for 2025. Sorry if I sound super congested. I am a little bit sick right now. So my review that nobody asked for is that these are pretty standard items for Hubman and Chubgirl. You can see them across their shop in various different themes. So I'm glad they stuck to what their customer base knows. One thing that I really like about the packaging is that you can reuse these boxes and envelopes for your own gifts because they all have like address lines and they're all already like dressed up like packaging. I am confused about why they gave the big A5 journal on day 14 instead of day 25. If it were up to me, I would have swapped the two notebooks because day 25 always seems to have more of an impact than the other days. So I would leave the big gift for the end so that people have something to look forward to. But now it seems a little underwhelming because this notebook is smaller than the one we got on day 14. So if you like this video, please consider giving it a like and leaving a comment down below of which day you like the best. And I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye!